For the next generation of champions, winning races, finishing on the podium, winning championships obviously is incredibly important. But my biggest advice to the next generation is make yourself the complete package. Fitness and nutrition, PR training, the business of motorsport training. Of course, engaging with your engineer to improve the car and become a better driver. When you become the complete package, it's going to be hard for a race team or a manufacturer or a corporate partner to say no. In IMSA, the International Motorsports Association, we've worked closely with auto manufacturers to help develop a ladder program or a stepping stone from the early entries of professional racing all the way up to the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, Mazda MX-5 Cup, Ford Mustang Challenge, Porsche Carrera Cup, Lamborghini Super Trofeo, Ferrari Challenge, on into Michelin Pilot Challenge, VP Racing Sports Car Challenge, and of course the WeatherTech Championship. Each of these levels gives drivers the opportunity to learn racecraft, strategy, taking care of the car and its tires. So these learning steps are all part of making themselves better, integrating with their engineers and their teams, and in the same manner, trying to get to the very top.
And don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell for more tutorials.
And let us know in the comments what you would like to see next.